What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Skullcandy Sesh truly wireless in-ear headphones in black I picked up at Best Buy for $39.99, down from $59.99. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions. You're going to get an idea of what they sound like based on my opinion, and last but not least, you're going to be able to see what the headphones look like, what good of quality they are, and so on and so forth. We're going to be taking a look at the packaging and just about everything that these come with. They're IP55 sweat, water, and dust resistant, and they have up to 10 hours battery life. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions, and you're going to get my opinion on these $39.99 headphones. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. So Skullcandy is a name you can trust. If we actually look on the inside of the box, you get a bunch of instructions and user manuals on how to use them, which is really actually pretty nice. So if you're checking these out in store and you want to see what functionality they have, you can do that. When you gift these to somebody, there's no guessing as to what exactly they can do. Whoever receives them can just open up this flap and see for themselves exactly the controls that they need to use to fast forward, play pause tracks, answer phone calls, and so on and so forth. If you actually look on this flap on the inside, it actually goes over the pairing process. So if you'll actually notice from the scene before, you actually have to take the headphones out of the case, place them in the charge case, then take them out of the charge case, and then you compare them to your phone. I'll be very interested in testing that out. This bottom flap should just open right up, and it does. I've actually already cut the tape, but you open up these bottom flaps, pull out on the earbuds themselves, flip them over so that we can get an idea of what comes in the box. For the most part, everything is packaged very nicely. These are obviously brand new. What you get in the box are the small, medium, and large ear tips that it said on Best Buy's website it would come with, and you get a micro USB to USB charging cable. Skullcandy has been around for a long time. They really care about their customers, obviously, and they care about their reputation. So I expect these to be pretty decent, actually. If we actually press that button on the front of the charging case there, you can see the charge level of the charging case. There's actually 4 LED indicator lights. This charging case is showing 3 out of the 4, so 75% charged. Let's go ahead and remove them from the charge case. As you can see, you get LED indicator lights on the earbuds themselves. They are red, indicating that they are charging, that they are not fully charged. These did not come in the charge case, so I assume that they are dead, but a couple of minutes of charging should mean that we can listen to them for about an hour, right? That's pretty much the standard across the industry. Let's go ahead and pull them out of the case, put it off to the side, put these bad boys in our ear, and as you can see, as soon as we put them in our ear, Sesh comes up right at the bottom so that we can pair them accordingly. And just like that, they are connected to our iPhone 11, and we've got either disconnect or forget this device. No active noise cancellation with these bad boys, no ambient pass-through feature with these, but I'm gonna go ahead and listen to them for a few minutes and then come back and let you guys know what I think about them. Okay guys, so the verdict is in. I cannot contain my excitement right now. Even though these are not active noise cancellation, they do not have an ambient pass-through feature. They make up for that in volume and in audio quality. The volume at about half the volume is louder than my AirPods at half volume. They're louder than my AirPods Pro at their half volume. Those were $250 earbuds with active noise cancellation, yes. Ambient pass-through features, yes. Longer battery life, yes. But these, like I said, make up for all of that with increased, enhanced audio quality. The mids are there, the treble is there, The bass is not overwhelming, but it's very powerful for $39 headphones. And I'm telling you right now, it's probably more powerful than the AirPods Pro bass is. I would actually go out on a limb and say that these are better than the AirPods Pro. They sound better, they're louder, the bass is richer in them, and they're only $39.99. Now, you are compromising due to the fact that this case is ugly, the headphones themselves are ugly, but, you know, the touch controls work, the audio quality is fantastic, and they're only $39.99. I have no problem saying that these are the best earbuds of 2019 for $39.99, for $59.99, for $99.99 even. These are a fantastic pair of earbuds, and whoever you buy them for, they will be pleased and they will not know the difference between these and another pair of professional sounding earbuds out there like the AirPods Pros or the original AirPods. A while back, I actually did a review on the Sony WI-C300. They were a pair of wireless earbuds that you could pick up for like 25 bucks. They were awful. These are really good. I've listened to a bunch of earbuds and over-the-ear headphones out there, and these sound fantastic. I don't know why Skullcandy hasn't priced these at say 100 bucks, but they're $39.99, originally $59.99. I'm telling you right now, these are the best earbuds of 2019. Say what you want in the comment section below. These are fantastic. I suggest you go out and pick up a pair. They're a dime a dozen. They sound fantastic. They've got touch controls. They're IP55 sweat and water and dust resistant. Battery life is so-so. 10 hours, 7 hours with the charge case, 3 hours with the earbuds themselves. But hey, that might be due to the fact that they just sound so damn good. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video because I have nothing else to say other than you should go out and buy these headphones for yourself or a significant other this holiday shopping season. You will not be disappointed. They will not be disappointed. Unfortunately, this is an unboxing and a first impression, so I can't tell you how they will last over time. But what I can tell you right now are these are a superior sounding pair of earbuds for an inferior price, or at an inferior price. Anyways, guys, my name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you liked that video. I hope you got something from it or out of it. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please leave a like, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, I'll see you in the next one.